What is up, people? Cody here, Anarchy Labs. You ever have one of those ideas that really sound good on paper? Maybe have them early in the morning with a few friends, 2 or 3 in the morning, few drinks in. Well, I had one of those ideas, which was drive Tahoe. We take our Lexus SC430s and go up to Lake Tahoe, do this wonderful drive. Well, my friends, of course, all behind me and everything, and we came up with this great plan about 6 months ago is basically when we decided. Problem is, they don't have any SC430s. I do. One of those plans. Anyways, today is the big day. We're doing the meet and greet for that. This plan was started about 6 months ago. The weather, it's not going to agree with us, but let's see what we can do. Today is Friday, 8/23. We are going to the Best Western Aiden Inn, going to do a little meet and greet, and then afterwards, tomorrow, we are going to the National Automobile Museum. At the National Automobile Museum, they're going to do some coffee and stuff. People are going to come out there, take a look at the cars, and then after that, go do the drive. Weather is not agreeing with us, but it doesn't really matter. We are going to make the best of it, see who shows up, and see what we can do. It's our first time doing it. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment. That is Raja. I'm Cody, Anarchy Labs. Let's go have some fun. What is up, people? Cody at Anarchy Labs. Guess what? All the cars, well, this weather's not helping any, but we are going to do our Lexus drive, going to drive up to Lake Tahoe and do the big drive. Couple of people came all the way from Texas. We're at the National Automobile Museum. Couple of the cars there. Come on over here. Come on over here. Guys, this is going to be on YouTube channel, as he has a donut here. So, real quickly, guys, please introduce yourself and tell where you guys came from and everything. Start here. Let's start from the left side.
I'm Charles. My wife's Joanne.
I'll get it. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
We've come from Vallejo.
Vallejo, California, and they got this the Lexus in the middle that you guys will see. This is the interesting story here. These guys are neighbors. Go ahead and tell them what these two are all about.
Mark and Gio Whitford. We're from Palestine, Texas.
Palestine, Texas, huh?
Yes.
How far of a drive is that?
About 2,000 miles to get here.
2,000 miles. By the way, how did that car drive?
Great.
Right? First car?
Yes. First time didn't even know it existed 4 months ago.
There you go. Yeah, 4 months ago, didn't even know. What about you guys? How come you this one?
Well, this car came to us. Somebody offered it to us. It took me 6 hours to say yes. Surprises me to this moment. We've enjoyed it ever since. It's a driver. We enjoy spending time in it. We're going to pass 216,000 miles on our way around the lake.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
It's going to be a fun drive. You know what? We're going to try to get some more people here. There's some more people that are meeting us up at Lake Tahoe. Please make sure to like and subscribe. This is Cody. Hang tight and we'll get you going. Take care. Well, we are here at the National Automobile Museum. A little bit chilly. They are just kind of getting started, but we have a ride and drive to do. They wanted to have us over for a little bit. A couple of our cars are going to be pulling up here shortly. I just wanted to give you a good preview. Well, guys, we are just leaving the National Automobile Museum. And we're deciding whether we want to go to Virginia City or to Lake Tahoe because of this weather. Got some cars behind us. I'll kind of do the little turnaround. Have to have the top up, which is a bummer. But we're going to see what we can do. It's like 60 degrees here in Reno at 10 o'clock. So it's not really the ideal weather. Back to 80s tomorrow. But we're going to decide to see where we want to go. I will let you guys know. Make sure you like and subscribe. Take care. So guess what, people? We are pulling towards Lake Tahoe. Got a couple of people behind us. We're gonna go to Zephyr Cove Resort, have some lunch. The weather, 39 degrees. So it's not top-down weather, but it is Lake Tahoe weather. And gonna have some lunch. Take a look what we're driving. Oh, this is nice. Make sure you guys leave a few comments. A couple of cars behind us. Let's see if we can turn that camera around and they can see something behind us. Oh, maybe. There you go. Gonna head over to Tahoe. And go gonna have some lunch. Leave a couple of comments. All right, here we go. Hey, yeah, you can see it's super green. The water is. You can actually see way inside. These guys came from the Bay Area, and the ones up there, those ones, Texas. Wow. And this is Lake Tahoe. You guys, if you guys want to, we can walk all the way up to the pier, so we don't have to get you things dirty. Make it easier. We made it. Little cloudy, little windy, but we be here. Look at that cloud. A little eerie. Had wonderful lunch at Zephyr Cove Resort. Big thanks to them and Al. And we're gonna go from here, South Shore, and then Tahoe City, Mount Rose and back. Gonna stop at Crystal Peak. A few more stops to do. Having a lot of fun with our Lexuses. I think we're gonna try to take the top down. See if we can do that for a little bit. The cars, by the way. One quick stop. We are on our way back. It kind of rained and everything, but just to kind of give you an idea, this is what we're looking at. And the cars. And now we're gonna head on back. So what do you think? Thoughts?
Beautiful.
Nice?
Yes.
Worth the trip?
This is a ride for the top down.
Is that right?
Slow.
Oh yeah.
Lots to see. The only thing today was
Yeah, the weather didn't agree. But I'm glad you guys liked it. Good experience. Oh, we will definitely have to. We'll definitely do it again. And oh yes, it's raining. Anyways, people, 75 miles. We got here at about 4:45. Big shout out to Charles, who came in from the Bay Area, and Mark, who drove 2,000 miles from Texas to come do this drive. Didn't have a lot of people because of the weather. And by the way, as you see, we hit snow, we hit rain, we hit everything, minus the one thing we needed to hit to take the top down. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like and subscribe. My name is Cody. Hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.